Hey y'all, it's Mariah here, and I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna need to make Rice Krispie Treats. So stick around and let's have some fun. Some pro tips are, when making Rice Krispie Treats, use low heat in order to prevent the Rice Krispie Treats from being hard, because no one wants a hard Rice Krispie Treat, right? And number 2, butter your hands when making Rice Krispie Treats to prevent the mixture from sticking to your hands. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 cups of mini marshmallows or large marshmallows depending on what you have, and of course 6 cups of Rice Krispie Treat cereal, because duh. The first thing you're gonna want to do is melt the butter in a pot using low heat. Once the butter is melted, add in the marshmallows. Continue melting the marshmallows on low heat until fully melted. And then take the pan off the heat and stir in the cereal. Move the Rice Krispie mixture onto a pan that's been lined with parchment paper. Let the Rice Krispie Treats cool for 20 minutes. Lastly, cut them up after they've finished cooling. And then voila, we are finished. Yeet.